This device is a Z2101AX PCIE T. This is the main device. For Wi-Fi antennas, 2.4G, 5.8G, non-removable. There is a login address on the label. Default login password. Power supply specifications. Default 2.4G and 5.8. So it has no password by default. There are also specific models. There is also a power adapter. 2 communication antennas. 4G. Parva-coastally. A certificate of conformity. A SIM ejector pin and several SIM adapters. There is also a manual. A lock module screw and heatsink. There are some small parts and screws. Assemble the 4-stage antenna of the antenna. Insert the mobile phone card chip film downward into the card slot. The first is the power lamp. The second is the max lamp. The third is a 4G dial light. Dial success is green. The fourth is the 1-port light. The rest indicate the status of the corresponding LAN. Enter Wi-Fi settings. Connecting devices 2.4G or 5.8G. Wireless network. Connection succeeded. Open browser. Enter 192:168.1.1 to enter. Enter the default background password, admin. Specific information is available on the home page. Module model. Card number. There is also information, such as operator and information intensity. Entry interface. Start modifying settings. Set APN. Tick. Fill in the APN provided by the network operator. Click Save. And apply it. Enter Wi-Fi settings. Modify 2.4G wireless network. Wi-Fi name. Encryption method selection WPA2PSK. Enter an 8-digit password. Click Save and apply. Get into Wireless settings. Setting 5.8G. Modify settings. There is no password by default. Encryption method selection WPA2PSK. Enter an 8-digit password. Accomplish.